like it. Yep.
Well, early on though. Yeah.
Is that a New Jersey? Or is that an old one?
It's got the topography of Northwest Arkansas.
You got no media blowers.
They sell so quick.
We blew through everything immediately. I was tempted to buy an extra small and crop top it.
No.
I can't believe that's coming back.
It's such a visual image of you in a crop top just cruising the trail. It would be freaking phenomenal.
We're all wearing crop tops on our Halloween
Take an old
ride.
jersey and cut them off. All right.
I'll find a spot in the trail where there's a rock
We
garden,
gotta do it.
and you guys will come ripping through, and I'll slow-mo it, and you'll see our bellies going ka-toot, ka-toot, ka-toot.
That'd be awesome.
It'll be Flashdance Mojo style.
All right, hit it.
Wow, there's no lip whatsoever anymore. Oh yeah. The Ledges Rain ride. That's what we're about to have. I cannot see it all.
Well, I called him on the way. I was like, man, it's not raining now, but it sure looks like it's going to. It looks bad out there.
Nah, it'll be fine.
All right, just so you guys know, there's a couple rock places up here. I'm not even going to try in the.
Yeah, I don't blame you, and I can't even see, so I probably should go to the back. This is bad, but I'm going to try it. It should be interesting. Well, there goes my ride.
Come on, Dave. You got a flat.
Horrible.
All right, let's roll.
Officially in blind now. Charles, how are you doing with your glasses there?
I put them in my pack, and I'm risking it.
Between your legs.
Do you have distance vision or up close vision?
No.
Oh no.
No, neither.
All right. Oh. No, it's all good. The problem I have right now with my vision is that my sweet spot is only about 5 feet in front of my bike.
So you're just watching my rear tire. That rock is nice and rough.
Yeah, really. Oh, did you see that sharp rock? Oh man. Yeah. It was like a razor blade sticking out sideways. Ah, missed it. Are you kidding me? You're riding this without gloves?
Hands look so tired.
Oh my
You are my hero.
But I wouldn't